In this video, I will show you how to quickly combine an image with a new background in Photoshop. So, that's the picture we're going to get. Here's what we're starting with. The first thing we need to do is remove the background from this image. To do this, we select the Quick Selection tool. Click on the Select Subject button. Now click the Select and Mask button. Apply the settings. Now choose Decontaminate Colors. Click the OK button. Now we're going to insert our photo into our new background. For this purpose, drag and drop the desired photo into the background. Now we change the size of this man by pressing the Ctrl+T buttons. Press the Enter key. Now we want to combine the colors of this boy hoodie with the background colors, so that it looks natural. Now go to Filter and select Neutral Filters. Turn on the harmony. Now select the background layer. Follow this process. Finally, click OK. Then press the Command or Ctrl+D or select the Deselect option from the selection menu. Go back to the Filter menu and select Neutral Filters. Turn on the harmony. And just reduce the strength option. And click the OK button to apply the changes. Then press Command or Ctrl+D. To fix the whiteness and sharpness of the edges of the photo. Go to the Filter menu and select Other and then Minimum. That's it, hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for your support. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.